iPhone lagging after iOS 17 update. iPhone lag problem iOS 17. How to fix iOS 17 lag. So if you're having the lagging issue on your iOS 17, normally after updating, this is actually quite a normal behavior from your phone, because during the updating process your phone goes into heating process. The thermals are not working whenever they're on the update process, so that is the reason why it hits, and due to the heat the chip also gets heated, and as a result might cause some lags on the screen. So you might actually want to give it some time, like 24 hours or something, for it to settle and see if that actually helps you. Otherwise, if none of these are working for you and you've waited quite a time, you can just try to reset your device to the latest version, and once you reset it you should be able to solve the lagging issue. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.